Welcome to AZ Technology. Today we explore military lasers. These advanced weapons are reshaping the battlefield in ways we could only imagine a few decades ago. Military lasers represent a massive leap forward in technology, offering unprecedented precision and power. They are capable of hitting targets with incredible accuracy, minimizing collateral damage, and increasing mission success rates. These beams of light are transforming the battlefield, revolutionizing how we defend against threats and engage with our adversaries. The speed and precision of laser weapons make them ideal for a variety of combat scenarios. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of military lasers and their impact on modern warfare. From their development to their deployment, these weapons are at the forefront of military innovation. Imagine a weapon that can strike with pinpoint accuracy at the speed of light. This is not just a futuristic concept, but a present-day reality, thanks to the advancements in laser technology. That's the promise of military lasers, a technology rapidly changing the face of warfare. These systems are being integrated into various military platforms, enhancing their effectiveness and operational capabilities. From targeting systems to missile defense, lasers offer a unique combination of speed, precision, and range, making them invaluable assets in modern military operations. Their ability to neutralize threats quickly and efficiently is unmatched. The word laser might sound complicated, but the concept is surprisingly simple. It's a fascinating piece of technology that has revolutionized many fields. Laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. This acronym explains the basic principle behind how lasers work. In essence, a laser is a device that produces a highly focused beam of light. This beam is created by amplifying light through a process called stimulated emission. Unlike the light from a bulb, which spreads out in many directions, laser light travels in a single, concentrated beam. This makes it incredibly efficient and powerful. This focused beam is what gives lasers their incredible power and precision. They can cut through materials with ease and are used in various industrial applications. Think of a laser pointer. It's a simple example of how a laser works. It emits a narrow beam of light that can travel across a room and still appear as a small dot. This demonstrates the precision and focus of laser light. Military lasers work on the same principle, but on a much larger and more powerful scale. They are designed to handle more demanding tasks. By harnessing the properties of light, we can create beams capable of disabling drones, shooting down missiles, and even disrupting enemy communication systems. These advanced applications showcase the versatility and potential of laser technology in modern warfare and defense. One of the most compelling applications of military lasers lies in precision targeting. Imagine a weapon that can eliminate a target with surgical precision, minimizing collateral damage and civilian casualties. That's the potential of laser weapons. Mounted on ships, aircraft, or ground vehicles, these systems can deliver focused energy beams to neutralize threats with incredible accuracy. Lasers offer several advantages over traditional kinetic weapons like bullets or missiles. Firstly, they travel at the speed of light, making them virtually impossible to dodge. Secondly, their precision minimizes collateral damage, making them ideal for engagements in urban environments or near civilian populations. Finally, laser weapons offer a cost-effective alternative to expensive missiles, especially when dealing with small maneuverable targets like drones or speedboats. Beyond offensive capabilities, lasers are also transforming defensive strategies in unprecedented ways. Missile defense has always been a significant challenge, but laser technology offers a promising solution that could revolutionize the field. Imagine a system that can track and destroy incoming missiles with pinpoint accuracy, providing a near-impenetrable shield against ballistic threats. This level of precision is unmatched by traditional methods. Laser defense systems are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They are becoming a reality, with several prototypes already in testing phases. Traditional missile defense systems rely on intercepting missiles with other missiles, a complex and costly endeavor that often involves significant logistical challenges. Laser defense systems offer a more elegant solution, utilizing advanced technology to simplify the process. By focusing a high-energy laser beam on an incoming missile, these systems can heat its surface, causing it to explode harmlessly in midair. This method reduces collateral damage and increases efficiency. Such systems are particularly effective against short-range missiles and artillery shells, offering a vital layer of protection for troops, ships, and critical infrastructure. As technology advances, the potential applications of laser defense systems continue to expand, promising a safer future.